Robert Lunt here with Realty One Group Skyline, and today I'm giving you a major update. I've got two huge announcements to make that's gonna really improve my channel, guys, and I hope it brings a lot of value to my client base now that I've hit 30,000 subscribers, guys. 30,000. Guys, I really appreciate the support. I didn't think my channel was gonna blow up that much over in a year and a half, and I was gonna get this many sales, this many clients, this much response, all the people seeing me all over the community, shouting my name out, Robert, I've seen your videos, That's great, guys. I really appreciate it. Good seeing you guys in the community, people flying in from all over the world to meet with me all the time, guys. I'm standing in my flip right now. I've been working hard on this, getting this place ready, got it all staged, got it all done. Ripped this kitchen out, did some, put the backsplash in, all new. I'm big on the shaker, the soft close cabinets, I like that with the dovetail. So I made sure I put that in my house that I'm selling. This corner lot in Bradenton, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. But another announcement that I have, guys, I have two announcements. So, one major one is going to be that I got myself a little toy. And I've been doing some drone work. I'll tell you what the other announcement is here in a minute. So I've been doing been taking some online classes with this and learning how to use it. So I'm gonna have a lot of aerial drone coverage of my communities as moving forward, guys. I figured it's time to step it up now that I got 30,000 subscribers. So just doing I'm gonna be doing a lot of drone videos. I just left Prosperity Lakes. I was doing a showing over there and met with Jessica, my favorite salesperson over there, and met some people, did some drone work over there. Prosperity Lakes, one of my favorite communities, guys. I've done over, I think, like 11 transactions there in the last year. So love that community, guys. It's got the active adult side. They've got a mix of townhouses. They've got a Columbia, which is like a 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath for like $375,000 on the water with a 4.2% FHA interest rate, guys, and closing cost incentives. So call me and ask me how you get those deals, guys. I know some people don't like the CDD communities, but they have a lot to offer. I just got done shooting my drone over there. They got 2 clubhouses under construction, and on the active adult where there'll be a restaurant, guys, and also the traditional side, they'll have a billiards room, a fitness center, guys, swimming pools, sports courts. It's a prime location. It'll be commercial properties nestled in all over the place, guys. Right, direct access to Fort Hammer Road. There'll be a brand new hospital coming into that area, guys. Prosperity Lakes, Lennar, everything is included, guys. Excellent price per square foot, guys. And as you know, interest rates just went down. I've got some communities where I just finished. I went to Oakfield next. In Oakfield, I was getting people 4.25. Now they've been offering 3.99. I've seen some builders giving 3.75% interest, guys. I think I can get that in Oakfield. So just did that. That's Oakfield Lakes. And then there'll be Oakfield Trails. So Oakfield Lakes is like Syntex, DR Horton, I think Starlight Homes is going in there, and one other, I think it was MI or something like that. And then you have the other one, Oakfield Trails, which will have West Bay, we'll have Pulte, Ashton Woods, which is the parent company of Starlight. So I've got some great deals, guys. Over 4,000 homes going into that community. Excellent location, very close to I-75, guys. And then I went over to Sierra because I got some great updates for Sierra. Sierra is one of the best locations. It's gonna have the lagoon. It's going to have, you've got Dreamfinder Homes, Lennar, DR Horton. You've got DBR Homes, right? I think that was Biscayne, but it's DBR. And they've got like the Mac Daddy luxury homes. That's right nestled in between two golf courses. You're gonna have the lagoon, you're gonna have a Miller's Ale House right there, great steaks, and you're right close to I-75, but in the Parrish school zone, guys. So Sierra, you'll have plenty of updates coming from me from there. Del Webb is right there, which is one of the better 55 plus communities in the Parrish area, getting on their final phases, guys. So contact me for that. Del Webb is also Pulte, which is also Syntex, guys. They're all the same company. And then, North River Ranch, where I live, guys. The North River Ranch is like the mecca of Parrish right now, where the education corridor is, where like the new high school, the new middle school, the new middle school under construction right now, where the new hospital is coming, the new village center. They've got Camp Creek, which is gonna have water slides and heated pool, pickleball, 2 gyms already, guys. You can access all the clubhouses, over 6,500 homes in North River Ranch. They've orchestrated Fort Hammer Road coming through there, guys. Like I said, a hospital, a village center, and you can literally walk from kindergarten to graduating college. There'll be a new college there, right across from the high school, right behind the new Publix. Already a new Publix there, guys. All kinds of restaurants coming in, guys. North River Ranch is the place to be. I've got, in the new phase of Longmeadow, I've got the West Bay, Pulte, Cardell Homes, guys. Still got some final inventory over in Riverfield for them as well, guys. So contact me about that. We'll have some townhouses coming up by Neil. I've got Neil over there and Wildleaf. Still plenty of lots left from them, guys. They are the developer of that community, if you know Neil Communities, guys. So yeah, guys, make sure you're checking out my channel. Check out all my community tours. Go to robertlunt.com and stay tuned, guys. I've got a lot of cool now I've got this drone. I'm gonna be going and hitting the beaches. I'm gonna be showing you all the hot spots. I'm gonna be doing the sunsets. You're gonna love it, guys. It's gonna be very cool, guys. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that and showing you all the cool little tranquil spots, the nature spots with my drone. Hopefully I just don't crash it, but it's a pretty smart drone, so I think it's uncrashable. But just don't want to get like attacked by a hawk or something like that, right? But anyway, guys, next announcement, guys, what you've been waiting for, and I've been busy. That's why I haven't gotten any videos out in the last couple of weeks. Traveled, we went to Key West for my wife's birthday for a couple of days. Been learning how to use this drone, been finishing this flip, been working here every day. Been working with clients nonstop, and I got a job with a Bank of Texana. So I am now doing loans as well, guys, for resales. So I'll have a link. It'll be something like, I'll make that announcement when it's live, but I'm doing my onboarding right now, my training, getting all signed up, drug tests, background checks. I got my MLS number. I'm in there, all registered. And yeah, guys, so it's big things coming. So I'll be doing loans. I won't be the one like the loan officer or the underwriter, but I will be facilitating the loans. I will know the loan products. I'll have my own link. It will be like robertsloans.com, and I will be I'll have that attached to all my videos, so you can go right there, one click, and do a loan application if you're not buying new construction, guys, because I highly suggest you stay with the builders lenders if you're doing new construction. But if you wanted to buy, say, my flip, right, you go to robertsloans.com. I don't know if that's going to be the exact handle on that, guys, but it'll be something like that. Depends on if that domain is taken or not. I've got to check it out. But yeah, guys, loans and drones. That's my new thing, guys. Loans and drones. So new construction specialist, and I'll be hitting the whole Lakewood Ranch area, all that Uline Road area, all those communities, guys, all the Moxonwella Road area in Parrish, all that South Shore Bay, Berry Bay, Wimauma area, which is the next to blow, just like Parrish. It'll be the next one in line to kind of adopt that new infrastructure, and all the builders and all the development that will be coming there, guys. So you want to get in early, Wimauma is the place to go. They got great price per square foot, guys. Great price per square foot. and new schools all being developed. Stuff I'll be doing, the communities all scattered in Palmetto and Ruskin and Bradenton, Riverview, places like that. And Palmetto's got some new schools to alleviate some pressure from Parrish, because I did have a client that was a little concerned with the overcrowding on the Parrish schools. But they are working on it. There's all kinds of new schools being built. So they decided to buy in Lakewood Ranch, guys, where it's a little bit more established, right? But Lakewood Ranch, they're still building. So those schools, are gonna face a little pressure, but they're putting more schools there. And those schools will alleviate pressure off of Parrish, because right now you have people on that Bradenton side that are zoned to go to Parrish High School, which is kind of weird, right? You got people kind of in Palmetto, Palmetto Parrish area that's kind of mixed with their school zones, that you have people in Palmetto that are zoned to go to Buffalo Creek. Technically, Buffalo Creek is in Palmetto, and that's the middle school for Parrish right now. But we have the North River Ranch Middle School being built. There's a Artisan Lake School being built. 2 schools being built in Wimauma, school being built up on Rye Road, guys. The schools being built all over the place, guys. So that won't be a problem for long, but I can tell you, you're always gonna feel the pressure as long as there's this much building, this many people moving to the area, guys, this many, it's that hot of a spot, guys. I mean, it's inevitable, right? They're gonna add on to the schools. They're gonna make more schools, change the school zones, stuff like that. In Manatee County, you do have that choice program, guys. If you checked out my school zone video, guys, check out my Parrish school zone I did about a year ago. Probably needs an update, but it's pretty accurate. So yeah, guys, hope to hear from you soon. Hope you're enjoying my videos, guys. I thank you for all the support. I gotta get running. I got a showing coming in. Give me a call. Shoot me a text, 941-879-4730. Stay tuned. I've got some awesome videos coming for you. And any questions that you have, you want to take advantage of these interest rates, guys. The houses are selling like crazy. You think stuff's not moving. The stuff is moving. These builders are selling these houses fast. These communities are closing out. New communities are popping up, guys. I'll be covering all that stuff, guys. Hope to hear from you soon. 941-879-4730, robertlunt.com. Have a great day.